To connect up your Xbox One console to a TV, we need to get the HDMI lead that was supplied with the Xbox, or any HDMI lead, and we need to plug it into this port here that says HDMI out to TV. Then we need to get the other end of that HDMI cable and we need to plug it into the TV. So have a look at your TV, you might have various ports. It doesn't matter which HDMI port you use, but remember which one you did. So in this one here, I'm just going to plug it into HDMI 1. And then if you have a look at the front of the TV, we now need to change the input off it. So look at your remote control and you will have something either called input, or on some TVs it's called source. So press that button and then you will see it will list all the different inputs. I need to work my way down to where it says HDMI 1. You can normally do this by using the arrows or repeatedly pressing the input or source button, and then go to OK when you're on your particular one. And then when you're on that one, you will now see that it should come up with the Xbox screen. Thanks for watching.